All right, first grade, we're gonna draw a hot air balloon. So you're gonna start not at the very bottom of your paper, but close to it. I'm gonna put dot here and dot here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start at this dot. I'm gonna curve up like a balloon shape, go almost to the top of my paper, and back down. And then I'm going to connect those two dots so that I have a balloon shape on my paper. We're going to add the basket later. And then how I do my hot air balloons is I'm going to put a dot at the very center at the top of my hot air balloon. And then I'm also going to put 4 dots along this straight line right here. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Every line that you're about to make, you're gonna make 4 lines. Every single time you make a line, you're gonna start at this middle point up top. So I'm gonna curve 2 to the left and 2 to the right. So I'm gonna go to the left first. So I'm just gonna put my pencil on that top dot. And I'm gonna curve down until I meet my first dot that I have made down here. Okay, so that's one curve to the left. Now I have to make another one. I'm gonna curve to this dot right here. For my next one, I'm gonna curve the opposite way. I'm curving to the right. So I'm going down, curving, and going to my third dot. And then one more time, again, I'm starting at the top, curving down to my fourth dot. If it helps, number these so that you know which dot you're curving to each time. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is make 3 dots along this side right here. So I'm gonna do 1, go down a little bit to the middle of my balloon, and then I'm gonna go down to the bottom. I might do 1 more. So I've got 1 dot here, 2 dot here, 3, and then 4. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a bumpy line going across. But I'm not just gonna freehand a bumpy line. Each bump is going to meet, every time I go down, it's gonna meet one of my lines that I've drawn down here. So I'm gonna bump and then connect it to a line. Then I'm gonna bump, connect it, bump, connect, bump. Okay, so I'm gonna do that for each dot that I've made. So bump, bump, all right, and we have our balloon. And now you can outline and add your color based off of your color scheme.